Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we will be taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLS 550 4MATIC. This one's black. Under the hood's a 4.7 V8 twin turbo pushing out 449 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. Standard on the GLS are front and rear LED daytime running lights. This one has 21-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels, brushed aluminum running boards, black leather interior, panoramic sunroof. Coming around back here, we've got a trailer hitch, GLS 550 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set to all-season floor mats and regular floor mats, fold down third row seats. Coming around back here, got plenty of space in back. We've got heated rear seats and rear climate controls. Up front here, we've got a anthracite poplar wood trim, memory seats, Harman Kardon sound system. This one also comes with the driver's assistance package, which comes with speed limit assist, active blind spot assist, Distronic Plus. We've got a heated steering wheel. Hopping in here, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start the vehicle up here. You've got a surround view backup camera, navigation, our hard keys, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, our command center, dynamic select controls. This vehicle has 33,710 miles, Carfax and service records available. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS, check out feldmanimports.com.